Hey, chill the hell out, guys. Yeah. We all went to see her.
Oh, my sister wanted to see me there for some reason. Okay, pretend I control your fingers. Gee, boat cruise?
Japan, South, now Mexico, France. People from USA are here today. And nobody perfect.
We can't look at the sun though.
I want to so bad.
Okay, turn it that music down, bro. Say arriba. Arriba. Abajo. Al centro. Gucci. 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 Y pa' dentro. Take your drinks, everybody. Here we go. Yeah. Vámonos. Tequila. And now, oh, yeah, it's called On the Rocks. It was Don Julio, el mejor tequila de México. Don Julio, the best tequila in Mexico. Guys, Mexico. Pero estamos en México, chingado. Here we go. And we all say, como dice.
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be. Impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl.
Yes, you will. It will cost thousands of dollars.
Dude, oh my god,